everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie, and today I am going to introduce you to a new project that I'm working on. It's actually going to be a 6x8 album for my niece. My niece was very fortunate to be granted a wish through Make-A-Wish Foundation, and her parents went on a Disney cruise to the Bahamas, and I thought it would be kind of fun to put a book together for her. And what I did was I went onto Facebook and I took all the pictures that my sister-in-law had posted, along with I transcribed all the notes that they had made with the photos. So this is effectively going to be my journaling. You can see I've got lots of scratch marks and stuff along here because I use this also to help plan out the album. So let's talk about how I planned and what I planned and what I'm going to use. So I am going to use a 6x8 Simple Story Snap album in this, it's almost like a burlap fabric covered binder in the red and the tan color. And I have gone through and pulled some stuff from my kit, which I'll go through shortly, of things that I want to use. So I want to make sure they get incorporated in the album somehow. Where they are in the album as of this moment doesn't necessarily mean that's going to be where they stay. But I'll just flip through what I've done. I've printed all the photos already. I've assigned page protectors. I find when I'm working with pockets that's the easiest way to do it, especially when I know it's a set project, is just to go through and figure everything out. So I have this 4x6 card I'm going to use somehow as a front cover plate for the album, and this is going to be my cover sheet or my title page, and then we go right into the book. I have thrown in some pocket cards, again, not necessarily where they're going to live, but just as a way to make sure that I remember to use them. You'll see I have a ton of photos and not a lot of space for journaling, which means I'm probably going to do some sort of flip ups or add some other cards in here to do the journaling. For instance, like I've added this 4x6 card in here to document this photo, and just to kind of switch things up a little bit. I have some of these, I don't know if they're 3x, oh, I don't know what size this is, probably 2x8, which I obviously can include journaling in that sleeve, but that I haven't done anything with. So you get the idea. I have also inserted some of the pages that come with the Snap album, along with the photo that I want to go with that. I am placing the photo down against it, so hopefully it protects it. But yeah, so basically that is what I have done so far. I'm not going to show you every single page because it's going to be a little bit boring. And then at the back, I have to ask them if they have any ephemera or remembrance pieces and stuff like that. If so, I'm going to leave this envelope in so she can just tuck her little mementos and stuff in here. But I do have to ask about that yet. I am going to put the journaling in the first person, so I'm going to write it from my niece's perspective. I think that would be okay. I did ask if she would prefer to do her own journaling, and I was told that I should just go ahead with what I've got. So I did get a little input for that. Okay, so that's the bare bones already. We just need to have fun with it. Now, what am I going to have fun with? I am primarily using the Simple Stories Say Cheese collections. Say Cheese collections. I've got bits from 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have an IKEA unit. Don't ask me how to pronounce it. It starts with an F. So I've got stuff in here, and I'll just quickly walk you through what I have in here. In addition, I pulled a couple other collections that I think I might use. It's only going to be for one section of the book. Actually, really probably only one page, but why not? So I have this Echo Park Lost in Neverland collection, and I also have this Pirate Tales. They did have a pirate night on the ship, and she did meet Peter Pan. So I'm thinking I will incorporate this somehow. So these are the only two bits and pieces that are not from the Say Cheese collections, I believe. So in the big section of the unit, I have all my 12 by 12 paper, 12 by 12 stickers. I had a Say Cheese 3 6 by 8 paper pad, which I have started using already. These are the leftovers from the Simple Stories album. There's the sticker sheets from 3 and 4. And then I just have whatever sheets I had from the different Say Cheese collections. There's 2, 3, no, there's 1, 2, and 3 in here. I don't think I have anything from 4. I also have a bag of scraps from other albums I've done for myself. Ideally, I would rather use these than to cut into the 12 by 12 papers, especially as this is a 6 by 8 album. I have some brads left over from the Say Cheese collection. I'm going to use those. I have tags and frames from Say Cheese 4. These are bits and pieces from 3. And this is Say Cheese 4 bits and pieces. So lots of ephemera pieces to use. I have these clips, and these clips left over. I don't remember which collection they're from, but I have both of those. I had the Say Cheese 4 chipboard pieces, and they were popping out, so I just popped everything out and put them in this container just for storage. I have these paper bow clips. This is also from Say Cheese 4, and I have the sticker pack with all the kids and stuff. Say Cheese 4. I don't remember which one these are from. They're from one of the 1, 2, or 3. So I've got those to work with, as well as the Say Cheese 2 photo stickers. I'm pretty sure you can still get most of the Say Cheese collections, but I could be wrong on that. I also have pocket cards. Some of these are from cut apart sheets. Some of these are actual from cut apart, not cut apart. Some of these are from cut aparts, and some of these are from actual snap packs from Simple Stories. So that's what's in here. I also have more cards here. These are ones that I kind of pre-selected that I would prefer to use over these ones, but if they don't work, I always have these as a backup. I also have these Say Cheese 2 photo overlays that I thought might be fun, but we'll see. We'll see if we can make them work. I have another bin full of miscellaneous little bits and bobs. It's just stuff from, I just didn't put away after working on other Disney albums, so that is what is in there. For finishing touches, I have these Do Craft Shimmer Dome stickers. They're kind of like enamel dots, but they're glittery. I have those in red and gold. I have the Say Cheese 4 Happy Kids bits and pieces. Simple Story Say Cheese 3 enamel dots, as well as, I've got a couple of those, as well as Say Cheese 2. I think that's what both of these are. As for tools that I've pulled, I have a Carpe Diem roller stamp. It says things like Mouse & Co, Photo Op, I'm All Ears, so it is a Disney themed one. And then of course I have my Mickey head punch. And then I've also pulled out these sequins. These are Mickey sequins. A friend of mine gave these to me. I think she probably got them off of like one of those discount sites. And then I have this Carpe Diem, and it says Celebrate, Dream, Fun, Magic, Happy, Believe, Hello, Imagine, and then it repeats. I don't know if you could see that. That, my friends, is pretty much my kit. Of course, my craft room is always available for shopping if I need anything else, but really honestly, I think I have more than enough here. I don't think I can add too much more bulk to this book because it's already pretty full if you look at it. And I really don't want to go to 2 albums. I mean, I could if I had to, but I would like to avoid it if possible. So we're going to try and cut back on the bulk. So if I do use things like chipboard, I will probably peel it to make it a little bit thinner. Okay, so what I am thinking of doing is I am going to go through this book and start embellishing. I will probably not share the process because it's a little bit of this and that. Okay, so that is my newest project that I'm going to be working on, and then I'll do an overall flip through at the end. So if you're interested in that, please be sure to subscribe, click the notification button so that you don't miss out. And I think that is it for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and until next time, happy crafting.